Okay, then we have cultural aspect there. So the culture has been changed, our lifestyle have been changed. Now, if we look the digital characteristics of digital economy, the business aspect, what do you think the goods in the digital economy, is it tangible or intangible? Now we come to the third one, which is called impact of digital economy. So impact is like high. We see they say a huge paradigm shift. Okay, so how what is the there are two positive aspect and the negative aspect. So the positive aspect we call as optimistic, and the negative one we call as a pessimistic aspect for it. Okay, so optimistic say high secure, we have more privacy, work environment, social life, we have a distribution of wealth and individual activities, and moreover we can have like gap between large enterprise and small to medium can be reduced. So before, the large enterprise were like ruling, but now the SMEs, means the small to medium enterprise, they are competing with the large enterprises in the digital economy, and they are like within few years they have like challenged the large enterprises. So there are a lot of example in your front. You can see that how the small enterprises, they are challenging. Okay, so if you see in 2008, Facebook, no one knew about the Facebook, and now it is a large enterprise over there. No one knew about the WhatsApp, but now it is a large enterprise over there. So then we have cyber communities on the internet will continue to diffuse over there. So this is like the optimistic views over there. So what is a negative view? What is a pessimistic view of that one? The impact of digital economy is called like isolation, or we call it like a desolation. Desolation means like people will not meet each other. They will even if even one brother is talking to another brother in the same home, so they will send message on the WhatsApp over there. So there is a desolation, we call it as a desolation. So humanity, social distances becomes more on that one, and facilitating sweeping dehumanization. So this is like a pessimistic view, but there are a more optimistic view for that one. This pessimistic view can be like regularized through some like making some your own rules and regulations. So you can keep some time for physical meetup, for like meeting on the dinner, or meeting on the different places, or like sometime for like meetings in offices as well. So it can be done, but there is a positive and negative both side. Major impacts of digital economy, like what is the major impact of that one? Large and smaller medium enterprises, yes, they have a like more impact on that one. Buyer and sellers impact. Buyer have been changed, seller have been changed in a different way. Even the employers and the employees both are changed. Like the employers are looking for the employees on the internet, and employees are looking for the employers on the internet. So both can find each other. So old and new generation, okay, yeah, there is a impact on the old and new generation. Yeah, there was a gap, high huge gap between the old and new generation, but that gap is becoming, like for example, is narrowing. Classes, wealthy and poor classes. So by this way, some of the poor classes, especially when there was a high gap between rich and the poor, so this digital economy, it it helped the poor people as well to come into the streamline. And also for males and females, those females who could not work outside, so they can easily use the digital economy and they can earn at their home.